Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Minecraft launcher error code 803F8001. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC first update. So our first step is to restart your PC. So sometimes restarting your PC will solve the temporary issues. So please restart your PC and check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, please follow the next step. The next step is to clean cache files. So for that you need to press Windows R and then type %app data% and please enter into the Minecraft folder. Over there you need to delete web and log files as shown on the video. Please delete it. Once you delete it, please close the file explorer and you need to enter into the third step. The third step is to sign out and sign in your account. So for that you need to enter into your Minecraft and then enter into your profile. Over there you need to sign out your Minecraft account. If you are using Xbox, in the sense you need to do as you done for the Minecraft account what you are showing in the video. So here I'm gonna show how to do it in Xbox. So obviously you may know that, so I'm just showing. Open your Xbox and then enter into your profile. Over there you can sign out your account. So once you're done, please check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, please follow the next step, the fourth step, to restart Microsoft Store. So for that you need to press Windows R to run the command. So over there you need to type wsreset.exe. Once you hit enter, it automatically opens the Microsoft Store to reset. So sometimes it automatically reset and close, and sometimes it not. So please wait for a moment, it will load, and then please take 5 or 10 minutes to restart and then please close it. So fifth step is to run system file checker. So for that you need to enter into the command prompt, search cmd and enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode. Over there you need to type sfc space bar scan now, and it will take sometimes to load from 1 to 100. So once it done, please type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health and then hit enter. It also needs sometimes to load 1 to 100. Meanwhile you can do the next step. So once it's done, please close it. And our sixth step is to reset Minecraft and Xbox. So for that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into the application and then installed apps. Over there please search Minecraft and then press 3 dot icon and then enter into the advanced option and then scroll down and then click repair. And you may also do reset, and please make sure you need to enter the credential once you reset. So once it's done, meanwhile you need to do for Xbox, you need to reset. Once you reset, you need to enter the credential again to login. So that's what I was mean before, so make sure. So our seventh step is to repair gaming service. So for that you need to type PowerShell and enter into the run as administrator and copy the prompt in the description and paste it over the PowerShell. We had 2 prompt over there, please copy and paste one by one. Once you paste and hit enter, it automatically opens my Microsoft Store and install gaming service. So once it's done, please close it and type exit to out from PowerShell. So once it's done, please restart the system and check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, you need to uninstall and install again to solve the issue. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.